What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 26, and today's topic will be how to chat with Wikipedia page using Llama Index. Okay, so in this tutorial, we will learn how to integrate with Wikipedia. When I say integrate, it means with this technique or with this method, you can read any Wikipedia page within a few lines of code. You can parse the text, you can do some filtering, you can create a report, or you can do anything, right? So that is why I'm saying integration. But basically, here we are going to use a specific module which is created by Llama Hub, and with the help of that we'll be going to read any specific Wikipedia pages, and from there we'll be going to do our things like, for example, we can create indexes, like within a vector database, like we can create a vector index, and after that we can do simple question answering. Okay, this is going to be very simple tutorial, but again, if you are going to work on multi capability driven AI agents, then this sort of integrations are very much required with Llama Index. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me move ahead with the tutorial. So these are the prerequisites. So this Llama Index readers, this one is required, and this is also required. Okay, as usual, the source code will be available in this GitHub link. Okay, so I will not waste much time. Let me start writing the code here directly. So first thing first, what we'll do, we'll be going to import from Llama uh, Llama Index LlamaIndex.code. Here we'll be going to import like vector store index. Okay, and another thing we'll be going to write Llama Index dot readers dot Wikipedia. Then we'll be going to import okay, sorry guys, like something is happening outside, so I'll be just going to give a pause over here, and shortly I will start the recording again. Okay, noises are coming actually. Okay guys, so the noise has been stopped, so let's start again. So I imported this module, and then I'll be going to import, let's say, Wikipedia reader. Now what we'll do, I will create a uh, reader here, reader object, and this will come like this. Okay, and then we'll be going to load it. Okay, so let's say, let's do something. Loader equals to reader dot leader dot load data, and probably here it will be pages, and it will be a string, it will be a list string, like string within a list actually. Okay, um, so there we have to write down the page name. So if you see here, I have the page name Virat Kohli. It is one of the famous cricket player. Okay, if you don't like cricket, then I'm sorry. It's done. Then then what will happen? So basically here, what I'm doing here, I'm actually loading the data, right? And after that, we need to convert that into documents, right? So this will load the data, and after that, it will create the documents, right? So so maybe I can docu. This is ultimately creating the document, and after that we'll just write print document just to check whether everything is coming nicely or not. Okay, so let's see. So this will write the page content here. Okay, everything is written, so fine. So what I'll do, I'll just clear it here, and now I will create an instance of vector database. So vs equals to vector store index, right? Then from document, okay, which document? So documents will be documents, right? Done. Now we'll create a query engine. Okay, so query underscore engine, and this is going to be vs dot squery engine, right? Completed. Now we'll create an chat now. So response, and response will be what? Response will be query engine dot query, right? Inside the query, I'll be just going to write my question. I'll be going to write a couple of questions. What is the birth date of Virat Kohli? Okay, right? Then print response, right? Now what we'll do? Now we're going to do this thing. Okay, let's see. Okay, so Virat Kohli was born on 5th November this. Let's check the page and some typical question. Okay, so okay, okay. When did Kohli debut? Okay, let's see. Let's see whether it is able to answer it or not. I don't know whether it is going to do it or not. Kohli is made the debut for the Indian cricket team in Test and ODI cricket. When did Kohli debut? Uh, when what the date and year when Kohli did his debut in ODI and Test. Okay, let's see. A little bit complicated question. Okay, let's see. I'm not using any model. Maybe it is using the default model of Llama Index. Maybe it is. Uh, let's see. Kohli made his debut ODI cricket on August 18, 2008, and in Test cricket June 20, 2011. Right. So I believe everything is fine over here. Right. So let's ask another question. How many centuries he scored in ODI? Let's ask this question. He scored 50 centuries in one day international. Okay, if everything is fine. Okay, so that is what I would like to represent in this tutorial, and I think we are very much okay, not very much, we are absolutely on point. Okay, so now why this sort of tutorials are important, let me give you some examples. Suppose you are working for a customer and customer wants to develop an AI agent which is going to give some answer to some question, but those questions are related to some global product or global topic, and there your company wants to develop a certain capabilities where you need to search in the internet, you need to search in the Wikipedia, you need to search Reddit, you need to search Stack Overflow, Medium, YouTube, so many different platforms. So that is why this small integration for every platform is very much essential, because if you don't know how to integrate like this sort of platform, then probably you won't be able to consider for those sort of jobs or maybe in the interview. Because see, everything is nowadays available in the internet, right? But the company or the interviewer wants to see whether you know this thing or whether you developed something in the past. Based on that, they are going to hire you, right? So that they should not waste any time on training or other stuff, right? So that is why whenever you are getting some time from your regular job, try to learn something. And same thing is for me. Whenever I'm getting some time from the job, I'm learning, and I'm also creating these videos for you. And trust me guys, I'm actually having multiple like streams of like income. Ultimately everything will be judged in terms of, right, how much money you are making from a job, right? And this sort of jobs are giving a very steady and well, like kind of handsome, or some like yeah, some quite a good amount of money, right? Whether it's a freelance job, whether it's a freelance project, part-time project, whether you are doing it from the any freelancing website or Upwork or etc., right? So that is why learn it, then showcase it by building your GitHub and LinkedIn profile. You will start getting calls from everywhere, right? Okay, so enough of talking, guys. So before I close, so I would like to raise couple of point is not, it's not a point, it's a request, guys. Please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this videos with your family and friend, and try to please subscribe, because if you see, I'm uploading regular videos and my videos are on point, on mostly on the hands-on driven approach. So guys, please help me to grow, because if you don't subscribe, my channel will not grow, and the moment you start subscribing, my subscriber count will grow, and YouTube and Google algorithm will start pushing this video to the large number of audience. And last thing, if you like these videos and contents are actually helping you, then please put some positive comments so that other people will also find this video useful, and also this will help me to crack the Google algorithm or YouTube algorithm as well. Okay, so please help me grow, guys. I need your support. Okay, so that's it, guys, and I'll come back with another exciting tutorial in the next video very soon. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning.